Hello YouTube, and I'm back. And sorry I never got to finish my sentence last time. The reason for that is because the memory died. So I'm gonna finish my house now. Oh, and I forgot. We're making a chest. I think we'll need about 2 of those. Oh, we already have a chest. And I better place some stuff in here. Oh, I also need my other stuff. Oh yeah, silly me. Okay. Yeah, I got exactly as much as I needed. I think I want to place that right there. What? 2 furnaces? You gotta be kidding me. But I have an idea for that. There. That looks good. I don't know what I'm trying to do. And I would like to get some clay, because I remember seeing clay over here. If I could find the clay. And I might die, but I think I see the clay right now. I believe this is the clay right here. Okay, this is way too risky. I mean, only half a heart. I'm lucky to be alive. I think I'll just leave this in here for now. You know, I could burn that right now. And if you didn't know, we get bricks, so I could make some bricks instead of this wood. You know, this is going to take a while, so I'm going to get pretty bored. I know what I could do while I wait. I'll just keep bouncing on my stuff. You know, that's just boring. Already. Seriously. Okay. So, I was thinking of starting to mine, because we'll really need some iron. And it would just be awesome if we could get some diamonds.
How do you get more hearts?
Oh, and that's my dad.
Hi, I'm the dad.
And right now, he's not supposed to be talking. Sorry, YouTube.
I'm gonna stop talking now.
Oh, I think I'll just... Okay, that's creepy. I'll mine this and run. I'll get the rest later. I knew that would happen. It always happens.
What happened?
Stop ruining it. Oh my goodness. Another half a heart. Honestly, YouTube, I am so sorry about this. I better get my items. Uh, how did I even get up here without... Oh, that's where... Yeah, that... No, it's not everything. Okay, did I just lose my iron and my stone pick?
No, I saw them over there.
Please stop. It looks like I'm gonna end it here. See you, YouTube!